The ancients were so wise. According to legend, this is Zhuge Liang, which took 49 days, the key to a life and death couple, created for his wife. We need to find ways to separate them. Through observation, it can be found that there is a gap in the right-hand key. The vast majority of people will pull indiscriminately when solving. I want to take it out directly from the gap. It turns out to be completely useless. Those who are a little more pleased can notice that there is also a groove in the left-hand key. 99% of people think it came from here. If you think so too, that would be a big mistake. Let's take a look. At this point, it is clear that it is about to succeed. I can't reach it. It's incredible. It's a deceptively simple structure. The design is so ingenious. We have to admire the wisdom of the ancients. Thinking is not right. It is stored to solve it. Thinking is not wrong. Puzzled. Come, look. It's the pillar here. At this time, rotate the key in the right hand counterclockwise. Let the notch go through the groove. Oh, I can't get through here again. Many people think they have reached a dead end again. It's a dilemma. The key is that we need to mobilize reverse thinking. Flip the left-hand key half a turn, so we can come through this groove. The groove to show the hole is deep or shallow. The shallow grooves are traps again. Don't fall for it. Rotate the left-hand key half a turn again into deep grooves. Go around the hole. The couple's keys were separated. Can you praise the wisdom of the ancients?